What's going on, world? It's me, Andre Catnot here from West Palm Beach, Florida. I'm about to get ready and head to Starbucks. I'm gonna take my shower and then head to Starbucks. But I wanted to make a quick video to show you guys what I'm looking at for up this upcoming U.S. session. For me, U.S. session starts at 8, but some people have the U.S. session starting earlier. But for me, I like to start the U.S. session around 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But I drew my U.S. session highs and lows. So up here, this red zone that I have up here is my U.S. session high, and then also I have my U.S. session low down here, in these red zones here, and then also I have a previous U.S. session high here. This white zone that you're looking at on the screen is a U.S. session high, and also a previous London session high. So I got a previous London session high over here, a previous U.S. session high here, and then price is coming up into the zone. So price could reject this zone. So what could happen when it comes to New York session? This is what could happen. Price could come like this and then come back down, or what price could do is price could come break this zone, come back into the zone, and then start going up. That's what's possible. But we do have some data that's coming out today at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the U.S. dollar. There's GDP and unemployment claims. So I'm not gonna trade. I'm not gonna be looking for any trades before this data come out. I want to wait for the data. I want to wait for the data to come out first before I make a decision, because anything can happen, surprises can happen, and if I get in a trade, let's say that this comes out, the unemployment claims comes out high, right? If that comes out high, right, then the dollar will fall. So, so say for instance, let's go here. Let's say for instance, I get in a buy. Let's say price comes above here and then come, like, let's say that just do like this, come into the zone, and then I get in the trade before the data come out. I'm thinking that price is gonna reject the zone, right? Instead, if unemployment claims come out high, then that's bad for the dollar. So it's gonna continue to go. It's gonna shoot the dollar down to the downside. So that's why I don't want to get in a trade before that data that come out at 8:30 a.m. GDP and unemployment claims comes out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern today, at the time of this video. So I don't want. I want to wait for that data to the. I want. I don't want. I want to wait for that data to come out first before I make a decision on where I want to go. But yeah, I'm just getting my zones ready, getting my markups ready. I'm on. This is the pocket option chart, so I'm gonna have my channel here, and also gonna have my 200 moving average, and then I also have other averages right there too. But this is what I'm gonna also be looking at too as well on the pocket option chart. So so wherever price is at the time that I'm trading, I'll go ahead and look for a good position there. But that's let me see if I'm looking at other pairs. I got some other markups too. GA look like the pound is dropping. Um, GJ, you know, JPY. So this is interesting too. JPY. So JPY, I feel like price might reject this zone, but you never know. Price could come all the way down into the zone here, but maybe price will reject this zone here, Again, I don't want to get in the trade until after the U.S. session opens, and then also after the data that comes out for unemployment claims. I want to wait for that data to come out first before I even take a decision to trade. But normally, these zones that I be drawing, price either reject them or break and retest. We go to the 1 hour here. We'll see. I think let's go to the 4 hour and see what's up. So based on the I like to look at the 4 hour. So right now, price was on a downtrend, but price got above and broke this previous structure here, which was the lower high. So now price created a higher high. So this is now going to turn into the higher low. Let me get rid of this, or maybe I can drag this. This now going to be the higher low, and then this looks like the higher high. Okay, so those are the 2 points that I'm looking at right now. This is the higher low, higher high, and I'm looking for price to either come back down here. Either let me show you guys what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for price either to come back into the zone here and reject and then go to the upside, or we can have price here, right, and come back down here and then go up. So that's the two scenarios that I'm looking for. So we'll be patient and see what happens. Euro JPY. Let's take a look at Euro JPY is maybe heading to the zone here. USD CAD. Man, this yesterday it did some strange movements on. There was some strange movements on the USD CAD, but looked like price is heading down to this zone here. But that's really what I'm looking at right now. Yeah, I mean, GUs right now is at a prime spot right now as well. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see. Right now, we're creating some higher highs and higher low movements, higher lows and higher high movements. If you can see here based on the 4 hour, this is the higher low, right? This is the higher low here, and then this is the higher high. So basically, higher low, higher high. This could be that higher low here. This could be that next higher low right here. So we might continue to go to the upside whenever the data that comes out. So in order for this to shoot up and head in a direction and get that that volume or momentum in our direction when it comes to the upside, the data that comes out for the unemployment claims has to be low. I mean, not low, but it has to be high. All right, that will shoot the dollar down, and then that will shoot the pound up. So, like I said, I'm not gonna do anything until that data comes out. But this area right here could be that next higher low, and then we could see that that next higher high if that data comes out high for the unemployment claims. So yeah, I mean, but with that being said, I'm Andre Ketnut here from West Palm Beach, Florida. I'm just showing you guys what I'm looking at, what I'm paying attention to. But if you guys want to be able to copy my trades when it comes to Forex and binary options, just let me know in the comment section or click the link in the description box below. It'll take you over to my Instagram. You can DM me and I can go ahead and get you set up and link your account to my account. And that way, whenever I take a trade on my account, those same trades will be copied over to your account. So with that being said, I'm Andre Ketnut here from West Palm Beach, Florida. I will see you guys later on.